Hello Aquarius, welcome to Indian 11 Tarot. This is your weekly career, business, money reading from 5th to 11th October. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Now, I wanted to share that Saturn has become direct from 29 September, so things which were stuck you can see forward movement or momentum gaining in, that is what I see, Aquarius. So let's start here. What cards are there for you? Okay, so 9 of Wands, defending, you have been defending something, the High Priestess, 2 of Cups, so it looks to be great. Page of Pentacle, the Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. So it shows that you will be in defensive, you will be guarded regarding a certain situation in your job, in your money situation. You have been, you are not giving up on a situation, although you are guarded yourself. It seems that there is a lot of work, there is a lot of stress, there is a lot of unrealistic targets to be met. You are hurt, you are tired, but you are not giving up. You stand there, facing the situation. That is what I get here. But you are wondering when is this getting over. That is what, wondering about when things are gonna go right, when things are going to improve as per you want. So this is what I get. After that is the High Priestess. So this talks about follow your intuition. Your answers are within you. If you have been wondering about, okay, so what's gonna happen next? How is the situation gonna change? So this is like you have the answers. Yeah, so follow intuition, balance, go slow. This is what comes with the High Priestess card. So basically, from you are not giving up and follow your intuition, that is gonna help you with the High Priestess card here. If this is a job situation here, this is what, if you are tired of your job, if you are tired of a business that you see that, it's getting you a lot of things that have not been working as per your requirement, but still you are into that. It shows that follow your intuition, you will get the answer. You need to move forward. I mean, this High Priestess card is like the sky is the limit, in terms of opportunities, in terms of potential. So look forward towards that. Apply, online if you want a new job. Look for, resources for new business. That is what I get. After that, it shows of 2 of Cups. So in career business, it is a step up position. So some of you getting a promotion here, some of you getting a raise, some of you getting appreciation. So 2 of Cups is like you very mutual support you will get from your boss or your subordinates, whoever or your partners in your partnership or associates. So you will be getting a lot of cooperation from the people you work with. Somebody could come with a help and offer, with a help, offer of help to you in your difficult times. And you will find if you are maybe a new job that you were very stressed, and you get a new job which the way you wanted, very balanced one, mutual understanding is very good. So it is a very satisfied situation for you here. So it is a beautiful energy. It is guided by the divine. So it is like step up, promotion, new job, new business, and you will be satisfied with the way things have been working for you now. This is for some of you here. This is like Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio could be the person you would be dealing with here. Yeah. Page of Pentacle, new beginning for a project which could get you monetary gain. It's an opportunity, it's a potential. Also that you are seeking knowledge, you are gaining knowledge. You will enroll yourself for higher studies, or you will take up an online course so that you can be well informed about the business you want to start, the venture you want to start, this project at least, you getting more knowledge. You could join as an intern or a trainee in some institute or in some company. That is what I get here, which will also give you knowledge and hands-on training too, with practical knowledge too here. With Page of Pentacle again, be very Careful with your money, where you keep the money, you could lose money, so keep your money carefully. That is what I get here, Page of Pentacles. So definitely it's a new beginnings, for some of you here. Well, along with the new beginnings, it's like you need more knowledge also on that to make this creative, this project really successful. So Queen of Cups, you will be feeling better, you will be in a balanced state, you will be taking care of your home and professional and personal life, you will be good with your subordinates. That is what I get here. You feel better than what was in September. That is what I feel. Here. I mean, you are in a calm, balanced position here. That is what I get. So, yeah. Also, I did not want to miss a thing, that if there are few of you who feel that when are things gonna change, how are things gonna change, so you could look for an advice from this Queen of Cups energy kind of person. Could be a male or a female, whose advice will help you to reach towards your goals, towards happiness, towards being the happier, calmer self, to feel happy within also. So a Queen of Cups, now this is again a Cancer card, so a Cancer person could help you, or a water sign could help you feel better in terms of balancing. That is what, balancing your life. Ace of Pentacles. So if you are looking for resources, again this is a new potential beginning for some of you here. New opportunity, new job, new clearing the interviews. And if you are looking for resources to start a business, if it was manpower or financial resources, you will get one. This is like a help coming in from the divine to you. Somebody might just come with an offer of help to you here. So it is a blessing coming to you here, Sagittarius. Very nicely. It's just that you need to follow your intuition this week and not get separate. Better things are coming to you, growth is coming to you. You just need to be maintain your balance and be bold and not giving up. Now your lucky number for this week is number 2, Aquarius, and your lucky color is milder shades of green. Now let me pull up an angel guidance card, Aquarius, for you here. What is the angel guidance? See here, you get potential. Think big for your future. This is a card. Think big for your future. This is a card of potential. So beautiful. So this is it, Aquarius. If you do like my readings and it resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.